Hey guys, it's Justin and welcome back to another video. In today's video, let's talk about the new changes to the new tax child credit that's going to be given to people. Now, I did make a video probably here on the Friday, which is the day that Joe Biden signed his American Rescue Plan Act, and that's basically overviews everything about the child tax credit. In this video, I'm only going to talk about the update, so let's get right into it. All right, so this article is from CNBC by Greg, and we're going to go through it. So the first one that I want to really explain to you guys is this is just a little overview in the article that I explained in the first video. If you guys want to check it out right here, I believe, but basically tells you that it's available for families with older kids. It makes it refundable, and it can also be used as an income stream, like paid due every single month instead of a lump sum, all in total when tax time comes. The biggest change that I want to talk to you guys is that Americans are going to get $2,700 tax cut on average for their child. So this is a new change that's been happening, and that the bottom fifth of earners, which means that Americans who are making less than $26,000 a year, are going to get the biggest bump of $3,800 increase. This is a new update, as this wasn't included on Friday, but now it seems like it's going to get a bigger bump. If you are making less than $26,000, you're going to get a $3,800 increase. On top of that, if you're the top 20%, you're only going to get $600 average tax cut. The top 20%, I believe we're looking at $150,000 or more singly. Now, I think if you're jointly, you're looking at around $250,000 or more. That's the biggest change there is to this new child tax credit. So let's go on to the second one, which is going to be the amount and age. As of right now, taxpayers can claim a child tax credit of up to $2,000 per kid under the age of 17. Now, if your child is under 6, then you can be raised to $3,600 and $3,000 for older children. As of before Joe Biden has signed his law, it was that you were allowed to claim a child for up to $2,000 per child that was under the age of 17. But with the changes that was in effect that Joe Biden has signed, it looks like the American Rescue Plan has raised that to $3,600 for children under 6 and $3,000 for older children. So age of 6 to 17 are going to get $3,000. Under 6 are going to get $3,600. This is new because last year when the second stimulus check was happening, it was only up to 16. But this year, it looks like they expanded the age to up to 1 year, making it to 17 years old. Now, remember guys, this has an income limit for the child tax credit. So you must be an individual who earns up to $75,000 a year, or a head of household who is earning up to $125,000 a year, or a married couple filing taxes jointly together of $150,000 up to. So remember guys, if you are making more than this, this won't be applicable for you guys, and this child tax credit won't be applicable for you. Now, the third new change is going to be that the tax credit is fully refundable. So in America and probably in other countries, there are two types of tax credit. So one is refundable and the other one is non-refundable. Non-refundable just means that if it becomes that your tax credit becomes zero and that you have a negative balance, they're not going to pay you the negative balance. It's just going to disappear and you're just going to have zero. But refundable means that if your tax is zero and you have a tax credit of, let's say, $1,000, that $1,000 will be given to you as credit for you to use. So the tax credit is refundable credit. So that means that taxpayers get a refund even if the credit exceeds their total tax bills. So in other words, the refund doesn't just zero out one's tax liabilities. It allows people to pocket the extra. So if you do have tax liabilities equaling to zero, and then you also have the tax credit giving you negative numbers, then that negative number will be basically extra money for you to hold on to. But remember guys, it's partially refundable as of now and probably will be. That means that you can only get up to $1,400. But if you are a single parent with one child earning less than $26,000 a year, then you're going to get $2,000 in credit as of right now. The last one that I want to talk to you guys about is the income stream. Looking like right now, the tax credit was available to taxpayers in a large sum when they filed their taxes. So basically, if you filed your 2019 tax, they would have given you a lump sum of whatever you are amount to get. But it seems like they've turned the credit into a regular income stream for families. So basically, which means that you'll get periodic payments. So it might be every single month, every 2 months, every 3 months. It just depends on the timeline of the IRS. They're going to give you a payment of, let's say you are able to earn $3,000. They're going to give you an amount of periodic payments of the $3,000. So it seems like it's going to start arriving as soon as July of this year, which is probably January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So around 4 months from now is when it's going to start. And it's going to be that you're going to get half of the credit in periodic payments of this year. And then next year, 2022, you're also going to get a rest of the tax credit. So hopefully you guys like this video. These are the 4 new changes, the 4 biggest changes that's going to happen with the new tax credit. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. With that being said, if you're looking to buy or sell a home in Georgia, feel free to contact me. I'll see you guys in the next update video or another video that I'll be creating for you guys. Peace.